Hey guys, how's it going? I hope everybody is doing great. I was working on a craft project this week and I just wanted to share it with you guys. I thought it turned out really cute, so I thought maybe it'd be a little inspiring or whatever to you guys to see it, so I wanted to share it with you all. I actually made these pumpkins out of some scrap wood that I had lying around the house. I believe they're 6x6 pieces of wood, and I really loved the aged look of the wood. It's very distressed and has all kinds of chips and cracks in it, and I really like that about it. So I painted them up and just cut some sticks and glued them on the top for the stems. I did that actually a few years ago and they've been pretty basic. I'd add a little decoration here and there to them, but this year I really wanted to dress them up and make them look a little more festive and pretty. So I went to Walmart, and from the 98-cent rack of fall picks, I just picked out a few things that I thought would look cute, and a spool of burlap ribbon and some hot glue, and I think these turned out really cute. I also know that you can find things at the Dollar Tree. They have some really cute little fall things that if you can use your imagination, you can really turn something super cheap into something that looks really cute and does not look cheap at all. I love being able to create something that is really beautiful but didn't cost me an arm and a leg. I'm just going to show you guys a few pictures here at the end to where I put them on my porch. I think they turned out so cute, and really, like I said, hardly cost me anything to do them, and so I just wanted to share that with you guys. Be creative, use your imagination, use what you have around your house, and you can create something beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next one.